Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. My name is Kevin Tate and today I just want to go over some more options that are available on the LAT Technician Pro app on the free version. So you could just go to, let's go to Ice Machine, and let's say there's a fault with the ice machine where it has harvest too long on it. What you could do is, before you even get to the call, you can hit symptoms and then scroll down in the workflow, and it'll give you 3 common symptoms that might be happening that may not be in the job description or in the scope of work. And it's a long harvest cycle, slab hangs, fault code, or freeze harvest timeout. So it'll give you like an idea of what's going on when they're saying its harvest is too long. And then also you can go over to tools, and it will give you a suggestion of common tools that you might need: a thermometer, visual inspection, amp clamp, and some parts that you might need, likely parts: hot gas valve, water curtain, or a thermistor. So to kind of give you an idea as to what parts you might need. And that's an advantage because that way you won't have to make a second trip. You would either have the part on your truck, or if you end up needing the part, you know that you're going to need to order that part. So that's just a brief run through of some of the other options on the free app. You can download the app by clicking the link below in the description. And again, that's the free app. If you scroll down in the app and the workflows, and you're comfortable with the free app, by all means, you can always click on one of the red buttons, and it will let you know how you can upgrade to the Pro version, and then that will take you over to the site where you can look into upgrading to the Pro version. But for now, definitely download the free app and test it out while you're on jobs. Give me some feedback down in comments. If you have used the free app already, give me some comments. Let me know of any other equipment that you might want to see in the app, or let me know what other functions that you would like to see in the app, and then we can go from there. But I would appreciate any feedback that you can give on the app because we're constantly trying to improve it. So that's all I have for this workflow session. I'll see you on the next one. Take care and stay well.